New creek, guys. This is gonna be the good.
I got a fish on.
We got 2 fish on, guys.
Go to the banks.
I got a net.
Walk to those grass. Get them on the. All right. Hold on, guys. Trying to show us both fish, and I got a camera in my hand. Trying to get these fish. So give us a minute. I'm gonna set this camera down. God, that's a nice fish.
It's a pretty good fish.
Mine's still on there too.
Well, a new creek again, guys. We're going to try it out. What's this one? Turtle Creek? Turtle Creek. We're going to get down here and try it out. Right underneath the bridge right here. As you can probably tell, it's a little loud. We're going to get down this creek and we're going to get after it. Well, trying this new creek out, guys. First fish of the day. And let's take a look at this fish, dude. He's beat up. Something
Took a turn, something, Jesus
has
Christ.
took a big chunk out of him, dude.
It's like a beak from a turtle.
He got.
He's a largemouth. In case
yeah.
He's a little small.
But we know fish are in here now. So just one more time. Let's get a. He took a big chunk out of it.
Jumping out of the water a little bit. Another little one. He's got some fight in him though.
They're in this creek, guys.
This is my third one.
It's your third.
No, that's my fourth. Caught that largemouth and I just caught 2 out of it. Fish number 4, 5 on the day.
Gotta know it all, guys. Pretty decent little bass.
Some fight in him. This is number 5 for me. It's pretty thick.
Yep. It's a good fish.
Fun fight.
Bitsy tubes, New Creek again, guys. Catching them up.
It's a little bit deeper in this spot.
This is a little bit deeper and a little bit wider spot here, so we're fishing this real heavily.
Come across a spot like this, you want to slow down and just fish it slow. So I'm gonna put him back. So not a bad little creek fish.
There he goes.
Check us out on Facebook.
New Creek, guys. This is gonna be the good fish.
I got a fish on.
We got 2 fish on, guys.
Go to the banks.
I got a net.
Walk to those grass. Get them on the. All right. Hold on, guys. Trying to show us both fish, and I got a camera in my hand. Trying to get these fish. So give us a minute. I'm gonna set this camera down. God, that's a nice fish.
It's a pretty good fish.
Mine's still on there too.
A double whammy, guys.
That's time the creek fishing paid up. I think mine's a little bit bigger than his.
Mine's in the net.
We'll show you guys his. But I was holding the video camera for his big one, and all of a sudden my pole watch just laying in the water. This little guy came up and decided he was hungry.
Nice smallie.
Alright, let's get that other one out.
Alright, I'm going to hand the camera to Bostic now and get this one. This ain't the biggest fish, but he's a pretty good one.
Oh yeah.
Remember my techniques. Like this. It's a good one. Hold him up here. Trying these new creeks out, and here he is.
Caught them right in there. As you can see, this creek's a lot wider. More like a little river.
You'll have to get the pliers. But anyway, guys, Bostic caught it. Well, I got a white one on here today, and he hammered it.
Fish.
He's a pretty good fish. So, getting after him. New creek again, guys.
Yep.
Double whammy. That's our first double.
Yep.
So
we've only caught 3 so far.
Yeah. Another fish. Pretty decent sized one.
Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on now.
That's a good fish, Bostic.
I think this is number 6 for me. 5 or 6.
Another good smallie. In these holes, boys.
2.
All right. All right, guys, my second fish right over this bridge. Ooh. Trying to take it easy with him. Ooh, buddy, he don't want to give it up, does he?
Get him over to the bank. The camera's getting wet.
You don't want to give it up, Bostic.
Some nice fish.
Pretty good smallie.
Get him up here.
He's gonna be a monster one day. Boys, they're in here. In the creeks. All right, guys. Well, we're on our way out now. We would have had a lot more fish for you guys, but it just got done raining, and man, they are banging now. Put that freshly oxygen in there, and we are finally getting into them now, guys. This is our 17th fish of the day. So, even though it was a slow day overall, seems like on the way back here now, after that rain, like I said, they've just been hammering, catching them in holes that we fished on the way down here and didn't get nothing. So there he is, pretty good fish. So we're gonna be fishing this hole. Ooh, one just jumped out of water, guys, so we're gonna be back in. We'll be back at you. Same hole that I just hooked on, guys. Bostic just got one. That rain's got them moving, guys.
He can get bigger. All right, now
well, we moved up to the second hole, guys. On the way out, that rain's got them going. Once again, trying this new creek out. And they're in here. This is the 19th fish we caught today. So we're gonna be getting some more too. So we'll be back.
Now,
got another one out of this hole, guys. So that puts us up to
20.
21. 21 fish today at this new creek. So get in your guys' creeks, guys. The smallies are in there. We'll be back. Well, we're now heading out, guys. We ended up with 25 fish caught today. Once again, sorry that there wasn't too much film. Said it rained on us probably about, what, 2 hours? Nothing but rain, so. But we'll be giving this creek a try again. Like I said, this is a scouting trip and definitely going to be giving it a try. 25 fish, you can't beat that. So we'll see you guys on down the creek. Me and Bostic back at it again, guys. Back down Clear Creek. We're a little further, what, downstream?
Yeah.
A little further downstream, we're gonna work upstream. We're probably gonna be fighting some rain today, so might not get the best footage. but we're gonna get footage.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys down
All
at the
right,
creek.
guys.
Well, we got our first fish. Now, before I show you what we got here, I just want to let you guys see this creek here. I mean, it is muddy today. I mean, you can tell, real dirty. But anyway, Bostic got the first fish. So Bostic, take it away, bro.
Ready to see it? Told you, these bitsy tubes will catch just about anything.
It's a channel cat.
Hit it as soon as it hit the water. It's not a snag. It's in the mouth. So, it's a nice little channel cat show. Well, we would get you the footage of us reeling them in, but it was kind of in the current.
Right along that grass bank right there where the current comes down is where he was caught. But let's get another picture of the hook. I'll get a, let me, hold on, just wait a minute. Wait a minute. Focus. There it is.
So, first fish of the day, and he's a cat. So.
We'll be getting more.
Oh yeah.
We'll be back at you guys. Second fish of the day. Looks like it's a pretty good one. Bostic's fighting him in.
It looks like another catfish.
Another catfish? It is another catfish.
Bigger catfish. Which now we got this one on tape. So let me get him up on the bank.
Look at that.
Another cat.
Another cat on the bitsy.
That second cat today. No bass.
Look at that.
On the bitsy tube.
On the bitsy tube once again.
Look at that.
He about lost him too, look at that.
Yep. The second catfish of the day. Second fish of the day, and the only thing we've caught in this creek now is catfish. So Dad, if you're watching this, I told you I could catch catfish with them. Dad never believed me I could catch them on a bitsy tube.
Well, I'm telling you right now, we need to come down here and catfish.
Yeah, I know. We were just talking about it too.
Yeah, we just said that we
saying,
need to
bring
come
some
down with some chicken
down
liver.
here.
That's good stuff.
Look at that.
Another cat, guys. Second fish of the day. Yeah. Well, guys, you know, sometimes you go down these creeks and you just don't catch fish. Me and Boss just had a slow day today. But look what we just got out of that hole. Jeez. I don't know if he's bigger than Matthews or not, but that is a big fish, man.
Put him up next to your leg.
He's every bit from top of my shoe to my knee. That's for sure.
Jesus, he was caught right in there.
Bitsy tube, black and blue.
First cast.
Speaking again. It's a big fish, Bostic.
Hold on, I just shut it off. No, it didn't. Let me back out. I'm zoomed in.
It's a big fish, dude.
Gee.
Look at that fish.
All right.
From the tip of my middle finger is up to my elbow.
We're gonna have to measure that boy when we get home. Oh.
That was a big son of a gun, ain't it, Bostic?
Yeah, and we had a. Told you we'd get a smallie, didn't I?
It was a slow day today. Look at that smallmouth, man. Look at that. From my elbow
to his hand.
That's a big fish, man.
Let's get a better look at this thing.
Gotta get the bitsy tubes, boys.
Gee, that's like
first smallmouth.
I know, first smallmouth of the day.
First smallmouth of the day. All right, guys.
Time for the big boy to go.
We're gonna let him go one more time, though. That is a big fish, dudes.
That's a big smallmouth for
Ohio. You guys gotta
Ohio.
understand something about me too. When I'm holding it up, I'm 6'5" and
300 pounds.
300 pounds. So
show it up to my arm. I mean, so here, let me
with your other hand too, underneath of it. Gotta get some footage of Bostic, because without him showing us these bitsy tubes
and creek fishing
and creek fishing in general, hold him straight, level with you. No, like sideways. Hold him down below your face. Dude, he takes up your whole chest. He goes from one arm to the other. Oh, geez. That's a good fish, guys. Boom, let's get in there, Bostic.